Hi, it's Giovanni from AmS Amplifiers, and today we are checking out the Hurricane 4D. The Hurricane 4D is a 4D watt amp powered by four 6V6 tubes. In the preamp section, it uses two 6N2P tubes, which are equivalent to 12AX7 tubes. This amp comes in two versions, head and combo. And today we are focusing on the head version. On the front panel we have the input jack, a 3-position bright switch, a reverb control, a gain control, a master volume, a tone control, and the on-off switch. At the back there are only the output jacks for the speaker. This head comes with this 1x12 oval back cabinet loaded with the Mojo Tone BV30. This amp has been designed to be a clean platform for your pedal board. With its controls, it can adapt to any rig. First, I'm going to play a strat and showcase the clean tones. I'm also going to mess around with the bright switch and the reverb. Let's go. Okay, now I'll plug in this 335 to hear how the amp reacts with humbucker pickups. Let's go. For the final test, I'll play the AM using the Strat and mess around with my pedal board. I'm going to use some overdrives, fuzz and reverb to hear how the AM handles all these effects. Let's go. So that's the Hurricane 4D, a plug-and-play amp with gorgeous clean tones. As you heard, it works beautifully with the pedal board. Don't forget to check out the AMS website for more information and be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!